Welcome to my course on Literary Theory for Beginners. I'm Masood Raja, and I'm an Associate Professor of Postcolonial Studies and Literary Studies. I have taught this course several times, but this particular version of it is meant for the beginners. So if you're a student interested in literary theory or have to take a course on literary theory, or if you are generally interested in it, this course will give you basic information about various schools of thought in literary theory, and then also will give you certain cues and clues about how that applies in real life as well. I will also add additional resources so that if you want to expand your basic knowledge after this course, you will have links, texts, and other resources like links to my website and my YouTube channel so that you can further enhance what you learn. By the end of this course, you will at least be familiar with the major schools of literary theory, what were or are their assumptions, their ways of doing things. And 3, you should be able to recognize when you read a scholarly article or a review as to which theoretical perspective a writer is using. These are some of the aims in this course and some of the learning outcomes. Now, the course is divided into different media. The main part of it are my video lectures, which will also be supplemented by textual materials that I will upload to the course. There are going to be, in the beginning, about 5 video modules, but don't be worried. If you stay with the course, every time I create something new, I will keep it adding to the course. So if you purchase this course, you can be assured that this course will keep growing and the materials will keep increasing. So this is all I have to say about the course and what it can do for you and what it will introduce you to. And please feel free to send me your suggestions or pose your questions if there is any way I can improve these teaching modules. If there is anything that you would like to me to include in future lectures, I'll be happy to do that. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I hope you have a wonderful learning experience. Goodbye.